What's going on, Silas Haig here, and in this video I'm going to share with you something really important. So this whole make money online thing is unfortunately full of scammers and spammers. I've paid for my fair share of online courses and services, and some have been good, some not so good. So I just want to share with you in this video whether Pyle's Proofread Anywhere course is actually real, legitimate, and worth it. I've been taken advantage of in the past. I was always on the lookout for ways to make money online, new entrepreneurial opportunities. And yeah, unfortunately, there's some not nice people out there that just scam people out of the money and they're just in it for themselves. But fortunately, there are some people that are actually sharing what they know and making a real difference to other people and helping other people make money online. So generally people that are naturally optimistic or people that trust other people easily, or maybe if you're just a little naive, unfortunately you might be more likely to be taken advantage of online. I know I've got a little of all of those qualities, so yeah, I think it's important to make sure that you have a healthy degree of skepticism when you see anything new or anything that's potentially too good to be true. But at the same time, don't pass up those opportunities, because you may pass up every opportunity that you've ever seen. So don't just instantly dismiss everything. Just make sure to take your time with it, research it heavily, and then maybe you can make your decision. So when I first came across Proofread Anywhere, as I said, I was taken advantage of in the past, so I was very skeptical. So I did a lot of research and took a lot of time making my decision. So one thing to look out for with scammers is when people are trying to pressure you into making a decision quickly. So while it's important in business and everything like that to be decisive, at the same time, if someone's trying to pressure you into something, that is a red flag. With something like this, you need to take your time, see if it's actually right for you, and see if it's worth the investment. So if someone is trying to pressure you into making a decision quickly, or saying that it's closing tomorrow or anything like that, just proceed with caution, I'd say. Also, be very wary of anyone that is promising or guaranteeing that you'll make a certain amount of money or make any money at all. No one can really promise that someone else will make money with their system. And honestly, you shouldn't trust anyone who does make that guarantee. With Pyle, if you look at everything she's posted online, she does show many examples of people making money with her method, so with proofreading, like me, for example, but that is after they've put in the hard work. And that is just to show it's possible. It's not saying that everyone makes money with this. It's not saying it's right for everyone. She does not make any guarantees that you'll make money or put any promises in place. It takes hard work, but it does work if you put in that hard work. She doesn't pretend that anyone can do this either. If you look at all her blogs and everything like that, or any of her past students, it's not for everyone, and she makes that very clear from the outset. So she doesn't sugarcoat any of the material. She doesn't make it seem easy or lie about any of it or how much work there is, because honestly, it is a lot of work. But in saying all that, without a doubt, Proofread Anywhere, Pyle, the courses, Pyle herself, they're 100% legit. It's real. The courses, they've helped me to make money. I still make money to this day with those skills that I've learned. And there's a chance that you could make money with it too, if it's right for you. So if you actually look on her blog, she posts honest, open stories from her students and her graduates, explaining their story, and they go really in depth into the challenges that they face, how it's not just an easy course, but how they've come out the other side and now they're making money with it. She actually makes it clear that she doesn't want slackers. It's hard work and it takes time, just like anything legitimate, really. If anyone's promising that you'll make money overnight, run away, in all honesty. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to share my screen with you to go through a couple of those blogs and show you some of the student success that they've got. So here we are in the Proofread Anywhere website, in the blog under the student testimonials section. So just make sure to have a long look through this. There are loads of student success stories, people that have taken the Proofread Anywhere course and that have had success, built up their own proofreading business and are earning money now online. So here you can see how this Canadian gets proofreading jobs from home, from ranch sitting to proofreading. Jessica earns money from her proofreading skills. Digital nomad proofreading. Megan quit teaching and became a successful proofreader. And if you just scroll down, and just have a read through, take your time through them all, and you can see there's actually 8 pages, and this is all just people that have had success with proofreading. There's so many different ones here. Now, also, there are other websites online that have post reviews about Proofread Anywhere. So check out other people's experiences. Don't just take it from this one source. But there's so many different ones here. Here's another one: how this new dad is proofreading his way to freedom. There's so many amazing stories, and you'll probably resonate with some of them, and maybe that'll inspire you to, take the next step. Now, as well as all these student success stories, another thing that Caitlin Pyle has done is actually shared her income when she was proofreading full-time. No, actually part-time. So if you get on this blog here, there we go. My last year doing proofreading as my full-time income, but she actually says that she only proofread for about 20 hours a week, roughly, I think. So you can look here. These are her earnings in 2014 from proofreading alone. So have a look again through all this, and you'll see that, she's actually honest, transparent, and shows it how it is. Especially someone, posting their earnings, and she's not doing this to boast or brag. She's doing this to show you that, it actually can work, and it could potentially work for you. So if, you're interested in learning more about proofreading, on the Proofread Anywhere website, they actually offer a free it's over an hour-long training session that's comprehensive training on everything to do with being a proofreader. It gives you an introduction to proofreading, gives you the 5 signs to see if it's the right fit for you. So to see if, you'll actually enjoy doing this. It also talks about how to actually find clients that are that actually pay you what you're worth. And many other things as well in that free training. So go check it out. You'll definitely learn a thing or two. And if you go through the link down below to that free training, you'll also get access to my exclusive bonuses as well. So if you click that link, and you can check out my bonuses. So I hope that you go check that out. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.